That's cool, eh?
Oh, yeah. You can do it. Put your shoulder into it.
All right, we got her on, guys. It's hard to tell what's going on, but there's obviously lots of rust, as you can see. I just pushed it back into the garage. I had to take it out for a while. I'm going hard, guys. Like, this isn't even funny anymore. Like, I'm so tired from working on it, but I just want it done. We're down at the farm. It's the perfect vehicle to just cruise and hang out. Like, it is so sick. Dude, I'm gonna crash. I'm trying to record this. All right, guys, we're pulling up to the Chilliwack Trade School where Meg painted the Bronco, and we're picking it up. I got the trailer behind me. I got the boys with me. I even brought the winch just in case this thing doesn't run anymore, which is entirely possible. And we're pulling in right now. I'm so excited. I haven't seen it in person, and we'll show you guys the color here in a second once we get it all sorted. There's some pieces kind of we have to put together. Let's go, guys. I'm fired up. I'm pulling in. Don't even know where it is. Oh, gate's shut. Never mind. So just waiting on the gate to finally pick the Bronco up. Chevy's pulling today again. The old loyal 2.7 liter 4-cylinder turbo. Where's she at? She might be sitting in a cubby somewhere. Oh, you see it? I see it. Ew! Hell yeah. Ew, that's insane. I just got shivers on my head. I got goosebumps on my head. Holy dude. Look at that thing. Oh my gosh. Wow. That is gross.
Hold it next to another one, and then you hold it next to like a pirouette. Like even you look at the walls and you look at this, and it's got a hint of like cream.
Yeah, this is perfect color.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Love it.
Wow. So good. Wow. Yeah, see ya. Holy man, this is crazy.
You definitely got a leak.
Where?
You definitely got a leak.
Nah. We got it all loaded up. It's crazy. I don't really know what to say. It just feels insane from starting this build 3 years ago to where it's at now. It's just wild. So we got like a freaking mint Bronco in the trailer instead of a scrap one. So it's pretty cool. Meg absolutely killed it. I'll leave her Instagram up on the screen. Make sure you check it out. She has pictures and stuff of the full build. And she might be doing my dad's Oldsmobile as well down the road. Good. We got the Bronco home in the garage. Oh my. Now, I'm just gonna let you guys look at this, okay? We've seen it rolling around, but how did we get this far? This thing is beautiful, guys. I cannot be happier with the color choice. Like, I think, in my opinion, I got the best color choice. Guys, this color was the only one that really like stood out. I went over all the color options. Yeah, you could go two-tone and stuff, but once this is all put together, it's gonna look even better. Like, I'm so excited, guys. So we're gonna hop straight into it. I'm gonna start putting everything back on, and carefully this time, because when I put it on the first time, I wasn't careful, I didn't care. But we got fresh paint here. The Bronco paint is been dried for a week and heat cured and all that. Bronco paint's fine. The top paint was painted yesterday morning, so it's a little soft, so I'm just gonna leave it for now. let's put on a major piece of this that will really make it look even better. A special piece that I was gonna save for last, but we're here, so might as well do it. The Bronco Ranger XLT badge. Let's do it. Do her up, nice and easy. Woo! It's not the mintiest badge, but it's original, so. Mint. And the XLT right underneath. Boom! That is a wicked piece to put on right now. Something about this, putting this badge on really sets in what is going on right now. You just back up and look at this mint unit that I somehow have in my possession. A dream ride. Okay guys, so I'm just still chipping away at stuff. As you can see, it's coming together nicely. Now I've made 2 videos about these doors, one disassembly and one assembly. If you guys want to watch how to do all this, go check those videos out. Let's assemble the door, guys, in 3, 2, 1. Boom! Look at how good this thing looks with all this in. Woo-wee! Got the mirror on, handle, lock, windows in. It's all fitting beautifully. Now the inside's a different story. I have red panels over there, but I'm not sure I want to put red panels in here. I think that'd look ridiculous. So I'm just gonna put the handle on. We'll rock it like this for now until I get some maybe black ones, or I just paint those. I don't know. Still yet to decide. I'm so happy with how this all fit up. It's all mint, and it really looks even better once you start adding all your pieces to it. I went Rover and I accidentally didn't film any of this, but look at this front end. Everything is on except the front bumper, which weighs 100 pounds. I've put it on by myself so many times and it's so sketchy. So I'm gonna wait till somebody helps me. And you notice the hood has a lift kit. I have to align the hood, put the bumper on, and we are mint. I don't have to do any more body work or touch the body anymore. Maybe I will touch the body just for some fitment stuff. Just making sure everything lines up straight and aligns properly. But other than that, the body is done. Like, completely done. There's nothing left to do to the body, which is insane. And I can't be happier with the color of this thing. I just keep looking at it and I can't believe it's mine, and I can't believe I built this. It still just it hasn't sunk in yet, I guess. But guys, let's finish this. Let's get the bumper on and the hood lined up. My fiance's helping out here. We're gonna see if we can get the bumper on. It's super heavy. I did align the hood, but it still sits a little high on the back. So we'll have to work that out another time, but it is aligned way better than it was before. I'll help you get it up there and then just hold it up there. And do not drop it on. And watch the sides. Straight on the side.
Is that right?
How about look? It's gonna sit on.
Oh.
How are you over there?
Go through the side.
Yeah. Push.
Is that high enough?
Yeah. Just went through the hole. We're just gonna. Yeah, it's nice on it's loose though. So you get yourself a jack fiance. Built different. Ooh, look at that, eh?
That looks so good.
That's such a nice bumper for our date.
Yeah.
Here it is, guys. looks absolutely amazing, all completely done and ready to be driven. I pulled it out, it died. It's a little colder today than normal, and it was running fine when it was warmer, so I think that's got something to do with it. But I haven't pinpointed the problem. I just wanted to get it all back together, and then now once it's all back together, which it is, jump into getting it running better and doing all the stuff kind of where we left off before I brought it to paint. That's kind of right where we're back now. So it is all back together. I just can't stop looking at this paint job and out in the sun and stuff. It's just a beautiful color. Like, look how good this thing looks. So Meg did all the dents. She even did a panel for the door. She did the top, like she did so much work. So make sure you guys leave her a follow on Instagram and leave some comments, guys, because this is truly amazing work that she has done. Before this video ends, I just wanted to thank a bunch of people who have been a big part of this. I actually had to write it all down on a list because there's so many people. So obviously starting off with Steph, my fiance, who's been a big part of this build, both hands-on and also it's on the mental side, because there's a lot of like, I'm about to cry. There's a lot of like stuff that goes on that's not just hands-on. Like, literally think every single day I need to get something done on the Bronco or my dream isn't going to happen. When you think that way, sometimes it can be tough. So Steph helping me through the mental side of the build for sure. That was huge. She's always there for me, so I appreciate that. We got Glenn, Jared, Dawson, Luke, Alec, and Albert. All you guys, all my buddies that have helped me with this build. It means the world when you guys come over and we have fun and work on this together. So thank you guys so much. Daryl and Brom, if you guys are watching this, thanks to you guys. There's some guys I met through the Bronco scene, and they've been great helps with finding parts and inspiration. And obviously to Meg, the painter. Meg, thank you so much. The paint job is amazing. Every day, like, I've had the Bronco for almost a week now, and I go outside every day and I just like look at it. It's hilarious. I go out there and I just like work on it, or I just pull it out and I just stare at it because it looks amazing. Last but not least, everybody who's been watching these videos, and especially people who've been through the whole build. It's been a wild ride. It is definitely not over because the Bronco doesn't run perfect. So we got to start working on kind of where we left off, getting it running better. We're going to hop on that, guys. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you like it, please leave a like and make sure you subscribe so you can see this thing driving around on the road. Thanks, guys, so much for everything, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.